Hi everyone, I am Teacher Joanna and today we're going to discuss about present a coherent, comprehensive report on differing viewpoints on an issue. But before that, I want you to get your pen and paper ready for our 5-item spelling. Ready? Number 1. Spell the word exact. Exact. Number 2. Spell the word precise. Precise. Number 3, spell the word accurate. Accurate. Number 4, spell the word correct. Correct. And last number, we have explicit. Explicit. Here are the correct spelling. Word of the day, admonish. It is a verb that means advise or urge someone earnestly. Idiom of the day, we have, well begun is half done. It means getting a good start is important. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to present a coherent report on differing viewpoints on an issue. Let's have unlocking of difficulties. Infer the meaning of each encircled word by using the sentence as a clue. Number 1, the impact of COVID-19 coronavirus brings a new normal way of living in terms of work, education, and businesses. A, unfamiliar. B, common. C, regular. The correct answer is letter A, unfamiliar. Number 2, the local government units give preventive measures to lessen the effect of Typhoon Jerry. Letter A, measurement. B, precaution. C, effect. The correct answer is letter B, precaution. Number 3, employees are ranting because of their low salary. Letter A, excited. B, happy. C, angry. The correct answer is letter C, angry. Number 4, nowadays there are new modalities in treating a cancer patient. Letter A, experience. B, medicine. C, mode. The correct answer is letter C, mode. Last number, in the 1918 Spanish pandemic flu, there were almost 50 million people died worldwide. A, less. B, widespread. C, unnatural. The correct answer is letter B, widespread. Let's all listen to a short poem entitled The New Normal. Before, the world goes how it used to be, where its people can move freely, busy going in and out to work, school, or own businesses. But all this changes suddenly. Oh, my world, what happened to us? With just a virus that changes a lot. The word normal becomes new normal, a kind of living that is new to all. Wearing a mask, social distancing, disinfecting places, washing hands and sanitizing. Young and aging stayed at home. These are the preventive measures the government needs to do so. Now, few people are ranting because of lockdown and community quarantine. Some are bored, some are hungry. There are nothing to do but to be angry. A virus COVID-19 came so fast. How are education now? Someone asked. But the Department of Education did not stop and immediately respond. Different modalities in learning are offered in advance. Though children need to stay at home, imparting of knowledge will continue to flow. We should work together and stand tall and beat this pandemic and never let us fall. Questions. Number 1. What is the poem all about? Number 2. Is there a difference in the way of living before and now? How? Number 3. How would you describe the new normal way of living? Number 4. Is it easy to live in a new normal? Why? Why not? Number 5. Do you think it is right for some people to run in the government? Why and why not? Number 6. Does the government effort to fight the COVID-19 enough? How did you say so? Number 7. Do you agree with the decision of the DepEd to continue schooling amidst the threat of COVID-19? Let's go back to the poem that you have read. Look at your answer in the question number 5, 6, and 7. Now, will you ask 2 members of your family to read the poem and answer the same question? You can write their answers in the boxes provided below. Do you have the same answers? Whose answers do you think are correct? Is it yours or theirs? Let's find out as we go along with the discussion of our lesson. If we have differing viewpoints, the only way to ease the conflict of any argument is to consider what the others will say or think about what you think. Through this, you will learn to trust and respect others. But how will you present your viewpoints in a coherent manner? Now, what is coherent? Means the quality of being logical and consistent. It means that we should write a report clear and well organized and not jumping from one topic to another. What is comprehensive? Means complete and include everything necessary. So, in other words, we can present a coherent and comprehensive report on differing viewpoints on an issue if we will write a report clear, well organized, and complete. If you are presenting your point of view, explain your side with facts, or you can use your own experiences to justify your side. You should provide support, reason, or basis for these points. In addition to this, you must observe the use of capitalization, punctuation, and grammar so that the reader can easily understand your point. Now, let's have our first activity. Direction. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Ready? Let's start. Number 1. People can have the same viewpoint all the time. Number 2. Differing viewpoints, if did not ease any argument, can result to a conflict. Number 3. In presenting differing viewpoints, one must consider the viewpoints of others. Number 4, you need to provide support or evidence in presenting your viewpoints. Number 5, it is important that you present your viewpoint clear, complete, and well organized. Here are the answers. Activity number 2, direction. Write your viewpoints on the following situation and provide support or basis for your views. Activity number 3. Share your viewpoints together with your family members regarding the issue below. Prepare a report that summarizes your family differing viewpoints. Remember, if we have the differing viewpoints, the only way to ease the conflict of any argument is to consider what the others will say or think about what you think. Through this, you will learn to trust others. We can present a coherent and comprehensive report on differing viewpoints on an issue if we will write our report clear, well organized, and complete. If you are presenting your point of view, explain your side with facts, or you can use your own experiences to justify your side. You should provide support, reason, or basis for these points. You must observe the use of capitalization, punctuation, and grammar so that the reader can easily understand your points. Assessment. Direction. Write your viewpoints regarding the issue below. Below are the rubrics to score your work. The issue is the franchise renewal of ABS-CBN network has not been granted by the House of Representatives. What is your viewpoint about this? For your assignment, choose the task that you can do well. The table below is showing the criteria on which your work shall be graded upon. The highest score is 12 points.